Okay. So first problem was construct an NFA that accepts all strings ends with AB, and this is our NFA, and we need to convert this NFA to corresponding DFA. Okay, to accept all strings that ends with AB, we will begin from the initial state AB. Initially, you can accept any number of A's or B, that doesn't matter, but finally, if you get an A, then you will go to state B, and then if you get a B, then you will go to the final state. This is the NFA for accepting all strings that ends with a AB. Okay. We need to convert this NFA to corresponding DFA. So first you need to convert this diagram to corresponding transition table for NFA. NFA. So we can write the transition table here. We have two symbols A and B, small letter A and small letter B, and we have three states here, A, B and C. Okay. So if the automata is at state A, on seeing an A, it can remain in A or it can go to state B. So we have two states here, that is A comma B, A comma B, and on seeing a B, it will remain in the same state. So here on seeing B, it will remain in state A itself. Now take the second state B. On seeing an A, if the automata is at state B and if it is receiving a small letter A, it has not given here. It's not there. So we can write a phi here because the transition is not given in the diagram. And on seeing a B, it will go to state C. Okay. And in state C, we have not given any transition for small letter A and B. So on seeing a small letter A, we can write phi here. Here also we can write a phi here. Okay. This is the transition table for NFA, this diagram. Now the next step, you need to construct transition table for DFA. DFA. And here also we have two symbols, small letter A and small letter B. Okay. And here in NFA, our initial state is A and our final state is C. We can represent it like this. Okay. So in the table of for DFA also we will start with the initial state, that is A. Look at the table for NFA. On seeing a small letter A in NFA, it can go to either state A or state B. So we cannot write A comma B here. We can combine these two states together and we can create a new state. Okay, you can give any name here, but still we give AB. Instead of any other name, we will give AB in order to understand the states. Okay, so AB is actually a single state. It's not two separate states, it is a single state. Okay, so on seeing an A, in NFA it can go to A or state B. Okay, but in DFA we cannot give two states. So we will combine these two states and write it as a single state here. So we will write AB here. And on seeing a small letter B, it will remain in the same state, that is state A. Okay. Now you cannot write the state B directly here. Okay. After completing the first row, you look at the row and find out the next new state, okay, which is connected to state A, that is AB. Okay, so here we will write our new state as AB. AB. Okay, and we also need to find where to go on receiving a small letter A at state AB. Okay, look at the NFAs table. In state A and B, on seeing an A, what are the state transition? Okay, so you need to look at the row of A and row of B. Okay, that is if the automata is at state A and if it is receiving a small letter A, it can go to state A or state B, and if it is receiving a small letter A at state B, it is null state. Okay, so you can take union of this, that is you can combine these three states. Phi means actually a null state, so we can combine these two, so it will become AB itself. Okay, similarly on seeing a B, if the automata is at state AB, on seeing a B, where to go? Okay, so you need, look at the NFAs table. NFAs table. So it's state at state A, on seeing a B, it will remain in state A itself. On state B, on seeing a B, small letter B, it will go to state C. Okay, and you can combine these two states, that is A and C. You can take the union of that, that is AC. So we will write AC here. Okay. Now look at the DFAs table, which is our new state that is connected to AB. This row is completed. Okay, AB in at state AB we have specified where to go on seeing an A, where to go on seeing a B, and state A is also completed. Okay, now our new state is AC, that is connected to AB. So we will write our new state AC here. Okay, again look at the NFAs table. At state A and C, state A and state C, what are the transition on seeing A? That is A, B and phi. So here we can write it as AB. Okay. Then on seeing a B at state A, on seeing a B it will be at state A, and in state C on seeing a B it will it's a null transition, that is phi. So when you combine these two, we will get A itself. Okay. Now look into this DFAs table and check whether there is any new state here. AB we have completed, A we have completed, then AC we have completed on seeing what to do on seeing an A or B. Okay, so this table is now completed. Okay, now look at the NFAs table, which is the initial state, that is state A. So here also state A is our initial state. Okay, and here in NFA, C is our final state, and here C comes along with the AC. Okay, there is no single state as C, we have state AC. Okay, so we can make this state AC as our final state. Okay, so step 2 completed. Now you can convert this states into corresponding state transition diagrams. So we will start from state A, that's our initial state. Our initial state. On seeing a small letter A, I will go to a new state called AB. New state called AB. Okay. On seeing a B, it will remain in the same state. Okay. And now AB, on seeing A, it will remain in same state. And on seeing a B, it will go to another state, AC. It will go to another state, that is AC. Okay. And in state AC, on seeing an A, it will go to state AB. Okay. On seeing an A, it will go to state AB. And on seeing a B, it will go to state A. Now our diagram is completed. On state A, we have specified where to go on seeing a small letter A, where to go on seeing a small letter B. At state AB also, we have specified where to go on small letter A, where to go on small letter B. And state AC also, we have specified on seeing a small letter A, it will go to the previous state. And if it is B, then it will go back to the initial state, and then after getting an A or B, A followed by B, then it can be at the final state AC. So AC is also our final state. Okay, this is the diagram for DFA. So this way you can convert NFA to corresponding DFA. So this is our NFA. We have to write down the table for NFA, transition table for NFA. Then you construct transition table for DFA from the table of NFA. Then you can convert easily this DFA table to corresponding diagram.